Delight your guests and maximize your rental revenue by selling items in your space. With your Host Co store, you can upsell anything. Your store takes care of theft prevention, inventory management, sales tax, and scheduling. Here are some of our top sellers. Here's how to set up in just a few minutes. Add the name, area, and photo of your listing. Choose from your own selection or get started by selecting pre-filled items. Remember, you stock anything you want to sell in the house, and we'll keep you updated on what's selling well. When you offer pre-arrival items, we'll help you set how many days in advance a guest needs to order them. We suggest including a store link in your automated messaging and sharing after booking and check-in. See what we send. It works really well. Guests can see pre-order, in-home, and local vendor items. Checkout is seamless, and guests get the location of their items only on their email receipt. You'll always be automatically paid out. Want to see your sales? Check out your host dashboard. And that's it. Got additional questions? Contact us at support@thehost.co. We're happy to walk through anything you may need. Happy hosting from the Host Co.